File Cabinet Pro is a file manager for the Mac menu bar that gives you quick access to your files, folders, and favorite locations without opening a full Finder window. You can browse documents, preview files, organize folders, and quickly get to the files you use most, right from the menu bar. New in File Cabinet Pro version 8.8.3 is a redesigned preview pane that makes it easier to inspect files and view important metadata without opening them. When you select a file, the preview pane now shows a large preview at the top, along with useful information below. For this image, we can see details like the file type, file size, created date, modified date, last open date, dimensions, alpha channel, and color space. This makes it faster to confirm details about your files while browsing. The preview pane is also customizable. Click Show Preview Options to choose which metadata fields are displayed. You can also drag and drop metadata fields to change the order they appear in the preview pane. Move your most important details higher in the list so they are easier to see at a glance. These custom settings are saved by file type, so you can choose different preview pane settings for images, PDFs, and other supported files. That means your image previews can show image-specific details, while your PDFs and other documents can display the metadata that is most useful for those file types. Update File Cabinet Pro today to try the new preview pane and customizable metadata options. With the redesigned preview pane in File Cabinet Pro version 8.8.3, you can preview files, review metadata, and customize what you see, all without leaving File Cabinet Pro. File Cabinet Pro is available now at apptyrant.com and on the Mac App Store.